Good evening, sir. I wanted to tell my daily routine. Daily routine is that event which happens in everyone's life in every day. Uh, some persons has a good daily routine, while some person has poor quality of daily routine. I say this definition in terms of qualities of the daily routine. Okay, so I have also some daily routines to mention it. Sir, first of all, I delivered in the morning at around 6 a.m. Then I boil 2 glass of water in which I have a glass of water. Then I start on going to get fresh at around 6:15 a.m. Sir, how much time do I take to get fresh? All but 5 to 10 minutes only. Then, sir, I start on going to downside. I have to unlock the lock of the main door because management begins at around 7 to 7:15 a.m. Sir, my Bhaviji daily takes the milk from the milkman's at around 7 to 7:15 a.m. while our newspaperman comes at around 6:50 a.m. Sir, after unlocking the main door, I start on getting switch on the water machine. Then I go to the roof and have to check the empty tank. How much quantity has it been filled or not? Sir, after checking the empty tank, I say I give this information to my brother, and he does get a switch on or off of the water machine according to situation. Sir, uh, sir, I have to get switch on of the geyser in the context of winter. Sir, I get myself able to bathe by hot water in the context of winter. Sir, then I keep on getting ready up to 7:50. Sir, then I have only 10 to 20 minutes for the breakfast. Then I say to my Bhaviji, you better give me breakfast lest I should get late to leave from the house. Sir, my elder bro- sir, my elder brother deliberately let me have the breakfast from 8 to 8:20 a.m. Then, sir, I start on going to downside. Sir, my elder brother daily draws the bike from the bike stand. Sir, I leave from the house at around 8 30 a.m. Sir, but my family members do some activities like my elder brother daily gets up at around 7:20 a.m. Sir, after getting up, my Bhabiji keeps on managing the kitchen up to 11 a.m. Sir, sir, my elder brother deliberately lets me leave the house at around 8:30 a.m. Sir, sir, after leaving the house, I have to keep on driving the bike up to 9 a.m. Sir, I have to keep on waiting to come up my friends in the Sadar up to 8:30 a.m. Sir, sir, my elder brother deliberately has to let Vedic go to coaching at around 9 a.m. Sir, my elder brother discussed me. Do we do we has do we have to let Vedic study in Holy Cross up to 12th class? I said it's right. There is no problem. Sir, now I'm driving the. Sir, now I'm carefully driving the bike. Sir, I'm getting myself able to drive the bike at 40 km per hour. Sir. Sir, my elder brother have to be going to Bhopal in the context of the examination. Sir, my elder brother sir, my elder brother deliberately. Sir, my elder brother is deliberately letting Jugal go to outside to give the examinations. Sir, sir, my sir, my elder brother deliberately have to. Sir, my elder brother deliberately have to be letting me come till late night in order to improve the English speaking. Sir. Sir, it's Sunday today, so I've washed 4 to 5 clothes by the washing machine. Sir, I. Sir, I. Sir. Nowadays, I've started on reading the Ramayana Sunday to Sunday. Sir. Sir, the Vedic has keeps on going to coaching up to 7 p.m. Sir. Sir, I have, sir, I have got myself able to cut my nails because it's Sunday today. Sir, 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 I don't have to have gone to office because it's Sunday today. Sir, my elder brother hasn't deliberately let me go to Richai because some guest has come in the house. Sir, I deliberately, sir, I have deliberately started on letting Vedic have the toffee. Sir, I deliberately kept on, sir, I deliberately, sorry, sir, I have deliberately kept on letting my wife have the meal of the morning and evening. Sir, sir, I have deliberately got myself able, sir, I have deliberately got myself able to let my wife get praise on the clothes. Sir, sir, I, sir, I don't deliberately have, sir, I don't deliberately have to let Jugal go to library because it's Sunday today. Sir, last any friend should come deliberately in home because it's Sunday today. Sir, I am always telling truth. Sir, I am never telling lie. Sir, sir, last last my mama ji should be deliberately coming in my home because it's kitty party in home. Sir, sir, I have been, sir, I have been telling my daily routine since last 15 minutes. Sir, I, sir, I, sir, I have been getting myself able to tell such an English. This is possible with the help of KK Sharma sir and Moral Academy. And Moral Academy is one of the best. Moral Academy, one of the best institute or best institute of the English classes because its quality is very different comparative to normal coaching, and no coaching has such a matter like Moral English Academy because it has a very different English comparison to foreign English as well as India English. Sir, 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 I deliberately have been making a video to improve my English speaking. Sir, sir, my KK Sharma sir, sir, my KK Sharma sir has been letting me study to improve English, and my KK Sharma sir said to me, I have to follow the rules of KK Sharma sir. Sir, 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 I have been, sir, I deliberately have been let Jugal go to library for 1 month. Sir, last my friend should have been remembering about me for 1 hour. Thank you, sir. I've completed all the criteria. Thank you. Okay.